What's up, everybody? So today me and Joe are gonna be replacing this old sucker. It's the old BDP unit. It's a 310. Let me show you. So there it is. Oh, it's a day and night. So this is the before, and we'll show you guys right now the after. Well, we'll show you guys the process, how we remove it. So we got the electric coming up to the top. Here we have our drain. Our gas is coming out through here. Alright, Joe, get to it.
What we're doing?
Take it apart.
Yeah, no sé ni por dónde comenzarle.
Joe said he doesn't know where to start from. Okay, open up the electrical on the other side and remove the thermostat wire. And so we're gonna be teaching Joe today how to do a demo.
Because Adrian's not here, that's why.
What?
He's laid off and
I already turned the breaker off, but open this one here and then double check it.
Which one?
Here?
This one?
Yeah, open this panel. So we got Joe taking off the door for our electrical. Check this out. So see how during the years how it gets all crunchy, starts deteriorating, breaking apart.
I thought they only put day and night like in the clinics.
Oh, like commercial?
Yeah, like the one we put in the book for.
Oh no, well,
My goodness.
because they get better prices, Joe. See that? So let's say, for example, one day this decides to touch any of this crusty ass from the family, the grill, it'll probably short out.
Now what?
Okay, now. Okay, get the meter, and we're gonna check if we have incoming voltage through here. Alright, so whenever you guys are working on a unit or something, always double check if you have power or not. You don't want to get the shock of your life. I barely noticed this. This is like I'm guessing they did that for noise, vibration or something. Put some shoelaces. That's pretty cool. Joe, you still working on the electrical? Is righty tighty? You're going right. You have to go lefty.
No.
Lefty loosey.
Lucy pussy. Ahí está, Lucy pussy.
Okay, take it off. The old one. The what?
Put in the truck.
Yeah. Here's the New York. About to put in. Work for us. So now we're gonna start hooking up the York. I'll finish up my electrical. I'll switch into the PVC. Throw this mess. Now that we don't have the skill saw, the saw has to come in its place. Alright, so this is the finished product. York fucked us on the things that go right here, the one for the fresh air, the one for the combustion. It didn't come with it, so we gotta come back and install those. Other than that, it's pretty nice. On the roofing, since the roof is so old, every time we mess with it or whatever, it will fall apart. So I mean, it's not that bad as long as it's waterproof. Should be good. So right now it should kick on. The thermostat has a delay, but it was on for like 3 minutes. This is where the old electrical used to come out through, but we eliminated that and we put it inside the unit, so there would be no chance of it like rotting out during the years. And we put it inside the inside, and we actually put the load through the inside as well, so there's actually no wires on the outside, just the disconnect box. What you guys said, Oscar? Okay, so it just kicked on. Yeah. It sounds quiet right now, but in the video you can hear it like it sounds kind of loud. Yeah. So it's kind of weird. Oh shit! I almost fell. I almost kicked in my workers' comp. There it is, guys. The unit of the day. Now we gotta go run some calls. Oscar freaking painted the unit right there. We got Oscar working on the hood vent. Oscar, do a little earthquake movement. Where's it going?
Nowhere.